Oh, brothers and sisters, Christmas has come early. All I want for Christmas is Food Buskers sausage roll. Cranberry sauce first. So 2 big handfuls of cranberries into a pan. And 50 mils of port. And a dusting of caster sugar, star anise and cinnamon. Clementine is really seasonal this time of year, and it's going to feature in both of my recipes here. So we're going to put a little bit of a grating into the cranberry sauce. And those cranberries are just beginning to burst open now, releasing all that flavour. And with that beautiful clementine, oh, marriage made in heaven. While they're slowly stewing away, let's get on with the filling for this Christmas sausage roll. So I'm using venison mince. You could use pork mince, but venison mince is gamey flavour. With the cranberry, it's going to work really well. To that, I'm going to add another zest of clementine. Next up, to get the herbs in, so I'm going to use some chives. They've got that really nice oniony taste, which will cut through the moorishness of the venison. And then we're going to use the earthy thyme that's just going to work so well. Now we want a good pinch of smoked paprika, a couple of really good pinches of breadcrumbs. Now what's great about the breadcrumbs is they sit in the meat and they capture all the juices and the fat, so they keep that sausage roll moist. So important. Let's mix all those ingredients together. You can really see the flavour that's packed in there now. It's going to work so well. The clementine, the smoked paprika, the herbs. That's going to be beautiful. I've rolled that up nice and tight, so the meat's beginning to set and come together. I'm going to put that in the fridge for half an hour to just all come together and set. Now the cranberries have stewed down, squeeze in that clementine that you zested earlier. Just to amp up the clementine vibe, we're just going to zest some of this onto the pastry. We'll just go and get the sausage meat. So that's been in there for a good half an hour. It's cold to the touch. I'm now going to transfer it onto the pastry. Right, I've dropped it onto some parchment. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the egg wash and just run it along this strip here on the end. And this is so that one end sticks to the other. Then I've folded it over really tight. Now I'm going to drop it down and stick it. Then I'm just going to trim it down. So I've scored the sausage roll, and as you saw, I was using the back of the knife. That's to make sure that I don't pierce through the pastry and get into the meat. That would mess up the presentation. It also would mean that the juices would bleed out, and I don't want that. Now I'm using an all egg yolk egg wash. So no milk in there, no egg white, and that's because I really want this golden colour that will come when you just use the yolk. And then I'm just going to garnish it with some black sesame seeds. Oh, look at that beauty. That is going to be so good. It's going in the oven for 25 minutes at 180. Yeah! Okay, that's in the oven. Now to our cranberry sauce. Now, this is completely reduced down. There's no moisture left in. Let's just have a look. Oh, mate. You see, that's still got some tartiness, some fruitiness to it. It's not just dominated by sugar, which is what you'll get from a shop-bought one. That one is really fruity, and it's going to work so well with the venison meat and the sausage roll. Such great contrast. Delicious. Let's get it into a bowl. Happy Christmas. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. That is so beautiful. Right, let's serve it up. I mean, just look at that. You get the lads over and you're like, oh, Christmas sausage roll. Don't mind if I do. A little bit of cranberry sauce on there. Let's have a taste. Just a small bite for me. Oh. Oh, the pastry is nice and flaky. You're getting that clementine coming through, and then with the really fruity, not super sweet cranberry sauce, it's formidable. Oh, it's so good. Brothers and sisters, Merry Christmas. Try this one and let me know what you think of it in the comment box below. Subscribe to the channel and increase the peace by spreading the love by sharing this video. Give us a like if you liked it. A nice one, guys. Merry Crimbo.